It's the human spirit to never give up and never surrender. Well, ladies and gents, welcome to another vlog. Welcome, boys and girls. We are here to you right now. So, on this vlog, what do we talk about? First of all, look, it's a Rivian. Have you guys seen Rivians before? I'm a big fan. They're like these cute electric SUVs and trucks by this American brand. But more importantly, my boy Adam from the dirtiest of Billies works for these people. Look, got little logos in the headlights, the whole lot. Second thing I want to mention is that my backpack is full of Indian food because we had a big company lunch today for end of the year, and a couple of people didn't show, and people were like, oh no. Who on earth would want some butter chicken, some extra butter chicken and some extra naan? And I was like, yo, I'm your boy, brother. And then ooh, that's cute. That is adorable. I like it. Right, so I have all this freaking what do you call it, Indian food, right? Which is like super exciting in a way, because I love Indian food. It's one of my favorites. Thank you. Right, Indian food, this and that, right. But the whole most important part of it, it's end of December, by the way. This is the last few days of December, which is exciting, right, in its own way. The most important part of this vlog is about love. Love, you ask? Like, well, what do you know about love? Shut the f up and talk about cycles. Nah, B, I know about love. I know all about love. I've been in love before. I'm not just a loser. I've been in love before. It's better to have loved and lost than never to have loved at all. And that's kind of like, I guess, my little shitty story. But yeah, nothing is sacred anymore, man. Oh, I believe that is a cop. That is definitely a cop. Look at that. Undercover activity. That said, I think I'm just gonna send it anyway. Yeah. But yeah, I recently just found out that one of my friends is divorcing with his wife, and she moved out and all that. Which kind of like got me like fucking thinking, like, what? Nothing is fucking sacred anymore, man. It was like a ideal situation in my eyes that these people had, you know? Kids, wife, a house, symmetry and synergy. Ooh, that's a cop for 100%. And then you find out that these people are getting divorced. Like, what? How? Why? What the fuck? Me. Like, I'll tell you a little something about me, because right now I'm tragic as fuck, right? But there was a point where I was a happy little sunflower, a cute little fucking holly bush or whatever. I don't know what adorable words people use to describe themselves when they're in love. That said, I used to be in love. I've been in love many times. I don't know, like 5 times maybe. 2 or 3 of them were real. I've been in 3 serious relationships. I mean, more than that, but 3 serious. Each one was like 5 years. We're talking about like living together and talks of marriage and this and that, but I'd like to think the reason why I never tied the knot with some of these gorgeous, amazing ladies, and I can talk about this openly because none of them are, oh, that's a cop, 100%, fuck, because none of them will actually, none of them watch this vlog, none of them talk to me. I must have fucking scarred them so bad with my bullshit that none of them wants to be even friends with me, let alone support or be in touch, because I guess not wanting to get married is not the only issue that was the cause of the breaks. But that said, it's the human spirit to never give up and never surrender. Like, for some reason, like, I'm still waiting for real love, you know, and love will come. You know, it's all on me, because I'm on all these dating sites and whatnot. Too much information, but I don't care. You know, I'm in one of those moods. This vlog will be called Love, and people are not going to watch it anyway. And I matched left to right. You know what I mean? Like, I matched left, right, and center with all the girls that I find attractive. I'm sitting there all sad, and I'm just like, oh, she's pretty cute. I'd love to take her out. And I write some cute little message. Then the chick likes me back. And I'm like, oh, that's cool. I think I just want to get drunk with my bros instead. So it's kind of one of those situations. Anyway, so yeah, the vlog is about, and yeah, this is the second person in 2023 that this happened to. Oh, super cute. But this person here, no names, I'm shocked. I'm literally shocked. It kind of puts everything in perspective in a way where, yeah, I don't know. I guess sometimes things are missing. Sometimes things are missing, and it's hard to, for the outsiders, you know. One of the painful memories that I have of me and my ex is when we were about to break up, right? We're already kind of like on our way out. We're doing this and that, and I'm trying to make it work, right? And we go to this party, and everybody's like, oh, hey, nice to see you, you know. And somebody was like, ooh, somebody's back together. And the chick just said, oh no, I'm just keeping up appearances. We're just keeping up appearances. And it's like, what? Anyway, so it makes you think that, like, when you see somebody, this is like all about compassion, and I'm so mad at myself for not having compassion at the right moments. I need to just cool my jets and remember what's important, you know? It's important to remember what's important. And what's important is not an impulse. What's important is truth, you know? And the truth will set you free. I don't know, I fucking lost it. I thought I was gonna have like a I thought I had some prolific thing to say, but I don't. I'm just a freaking schmuck. I'm just gonna go watch Jack Ryan and shut the fuck up. I'm watching season 4 of Jack Ryan, so, you know. Ooh, shortcut. Brum bum 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 bum. Anyway, okay, bye. Sorry for this stupid vlog. Bye.